At the NetApp Accelerator, we are proud to have enabled some path-breaking innovative technologies. This is a time when innovations and tech advancements have started to generate new market opportunities. With mainstreaming of artificial intelligence, security risks associated with large dataset computations is real and that exists. Future-proofing against security threats posed by quantum computing is real. In the last 2 years and over the last 4 cohorts, we at the Startup Accelerator in NetApp have crafted a diverse technology and business platform for deep tech B2B companies to make use of, collaborate and create enormous value.
AI ML is the main driving force behind digital transformation. It's not only transforming the business processes, it also is transforming the workforce.
We have understood what are some of the B2B trends that are happening within the startup ecosystem as such, as well as for us to be able to contribute our 25 years of experience. We bring in especially the technical and the business mentorship, potentially where companies can understand where they are going with respect to the trends and being able to potentially redefine or change direction for that matter.
6 months ago, we were a startup with a very cool technology and we didn't know where to put it. The acceleration in terms of our product development has been massive. So being here, sitting with NetApp, gave us a very good perspective into what the market is headed towards.
We now have understood every nuance before we go to the client, when we meet the client, and how quickly we can understand their problems and present them a solution, so that we really cut short the entire time in which any large organization would be spending.
We found an opportunity to actually integrate with one of the NetApp products. That gives us global access with the assistance of NetApp sales and marketing team. So the go-to-market strategy, especially as a B2B company, and NetApp being in the B2B space, has really helped us.
I think the biggest benefit for us is mainly around how we can validate the product quickly and how we can distribute and market it to customers.
We have identified 2 or 3 very pertinent and very critical use cases, and now we are on next stage where we have to work with them to put those use cases in place.
Ecolibrium as a company is really focusing this year on our international expansion. NetApp has kind of enabled us to get the right contacts as well as build the right skill sets and infrastructure.
We've given them media training. How can they go about creating a media strategy, exposure to the media?
We at NetApp Excellerator have consistently had the privilege of having the best players in the tech field who bring to the table the right amount of passion, the right skill sets, and most importantly, the right attitude. We at NetApp have given them a nudge in the right direction to help them score high and win it big.